All right, so how do you actually design sticker sheets to print? Well, first you need a file of stickers to feed to your printer, okay? So we like to use, and I like to use Canva. I have the Pro $15 per month subscription. You could start with the free option, but the Pro really does help out. And I like to look at a custom size, and keep in mind that when you print stickers, it's usually on an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet. So we'll select that, and then now we can actually design our sticker. So you could upload images here. You could upload elements, shapes, graphics. It's really up to you. So let's say I like this bumblebee. So let's say we want to print these bumblebee Santa stickers. Okay, so the nice thing about Canva is everything here is royalty free. You might want to double check that. Obviously, if anything is a branded type of image, you will not just be able to sell someone's intellectual property there, but we can do a lot of cool things with Canva. So we can change the size. You see how it's 2 inches width, 2.5 inches of height. We can change the color. So maybe the Santa hat is not bright enough for us. We want bright red. And maybe, Mr. Bumblebee here, we want to change this color and say, hey, it's let's do like a brighter orange, okay? So we can play around with these things. We can adjust and orient them. We can edit the images here, magically erase certain parts of it. There's a lot to play around with, okay? I like to also look at adjusting some images. You can up the brightness, though you don't want to do it too much. A couple other very useful options is vibrance, making it more vibrant. If it's less vibrant, it'll look less colorful. I like to up it a good amount. And saturation also increases the color and how bright it looks. So once you're happy with that, you can copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste and line them up so they're all kind of spread out here. We can just build an army of these Santa hat bumblebees, right? And make sure we fill up our entire page, okay? So once you're happy with how this looks, I will maybe title it Bumblebee Santa stickers, okay? And this is the file we will design. So we'll hit a little share button icon up here. Then we'll want to download this file. And then let's look through some of the options. So PNG is the best from what I have tested with hundreds and hundreds of sticker sheets. It's the best quality. Okay, you could maybe use JPEG, JPG for a smaller file size if you're worried about sharing a lot of files. They say PDF is best, PDF print is best for printing. I do not believe that's actually true. So PNG files is high quality. You could increase the size. Right now it's like 1500 by 2000 pixels. We could maybe double that, right? But I don't really believe that's necessary as long as it's fairly high resolution, okay? And then we'd hit download. We'd hit download, and then we'd wait, and then we would have our sticker file to send to our printer. So if we click on it, here we go. Here are the bumblebee kind of Santa hat images. We want to take a closer look and say, yep, these look good. It does not look blurry, although I'm very zoomed in. And then we'd hit print and be able to send this to our printer, printing on our printable vinyl or printable sticker paper, not the regular copy paper. So you'd have to remove that from the printer. But that's what we would recommend, using Canva and creating or importing your own images to print.